when me did a liquor you out my butt and I take up gun. And if 100 man bad and I take up gun when they reach certain age, out of the 100, 80 of them change.
Along the line.
They left back in it.
Yeah, along the line.
Right. So everybody got through one liquor phase. Yeah, because liquor phase are bad in this time. Not really everybody, but most people.
Alright guys. Wow.
We are packed.
We are packed. We are ready. We got our jelly.
Big shout out to whoever brought it. You are the best.
Hey, big shout out. Big shout out to that person that brought the jelly for D Mwango.
He's the best.
Big shout out to you, you know.
You know when somebody thinks exactly what you might be doing, because guys, I've never felt this hot the way I feel here in Negril.
Right?
I think it's the hottest place in Jamaica. Then the coldest is Mandeville.
That's a swimmer, you know?
Yeah, we don't expect.
Yeah, don't want to swim. Go. You gotta throw it out now, throw it back. Right, please.
Woo! Guys, who remember old thinking toe smell?
One CD in the
Hey. If you remember old thinking toe smell, you're wondering if you're eating a stinking feet. You know?
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day
Well, good morning. Well, I can guess this is the morning to say goodbye to this lovely cottage, you know. It is the morning to say goodbye, you know, to this lovely cottage. Here was so nice, you know. I really love the resting up, the nature vibes, Negril life, you know. So I guess the Mwango. They're still getting ready. Alright then. I don't know, ladies, Cocoa girls same way. So since while they're still getting ready, I'm gonna remember the video when I went down to the Kong and get the Kong soup down by near the beach. But the man was selling the Kong soup. I'm feeling a bit of Kong today, you know, so I think I'm gonna get some Kong soup here while they're getting ready. So this lovely cottage is to be missed. And there's one thing though I never get to experience while I was here, is sitting down in this chair. I never really get the experience because this chair is just centered at where the sun is. So guys, as you can see, the sun here in Negril, like we're so close to the sun, it's so hot. You know, but we cannot complain, we give thanks, because when there's rain, we say there's too much rain. When there is sun, we say it's too much, it's too hot. When there's cold, we say it's too cold. So we have to just give thanks and appreciate whatever comes. And also give thanks to the Almighty for that. Thank you, Lord. Yes guys, so I'm gonna walk to get some soup. You know, Kong soup, while they're getting ready. You know, get something warm down my chest to take on the journey, because now we're gonna head into, you know where we're going, you know, so we're gonna be there at your doorstep. God, that's where the sun is shining, in that direction. So that's the direction that we're gonna be going. Alright, so stay tuned guys. Please remember to smash that like button, like before watching, you know, share if you can, tell a friend to tell a friend if you can about Kina life in Jamaica. You know, the plan is to grow. We need to evolve in life, so it's all about evolution, evolving. So that's what life is about, evolving. So I'm gonna take you on this journey to go get some conch soup. You know, neighborhood is a very quiet neighborhood, you know, very quiet. abandoned building here. I don't know what happened. As you can see, has been stalled for years. You know, here local business. We got one boat. You know, this is all the local business and everything. So here is very quiet. You know, as the Rastaman said, Negril is a place to be where it's quiet. It's the most peaceful place they said in Jamaica. You know, and I guess I need to stay here longer to experience that. You know, but so far it is beautiful. It's very quiet. You know, very quiet. I cannot complain how quiet it is. You know, so that is it. Listen, General, pick up every time. Cool, no? Aye. All is well.
Hey, I said we have man last night, come on.
Yeah.
He said me every night, seeing? And we drink, give me a rum. He man come out here, jump off the pop off and do no my lad though.
Yeah.
Don't say we chop in the head.
You know when you do in a road boy?
Don't know.
No one buckler when they do. They're ramping in life, you know. Not because me a hell and don't get a road me no bad man.
Sure. You cannot do that. You cannot do that. You're mad.
They can't run with the older man.
They are veterans, you know. The elders, them. Yeah, can't jump out on the man like that.
You can't walk right there, you're bad man.
But then again, I told them said Negril is peaceful, right?
No man make nothing to them.
You're not supposed to do.
Yeah. All man come along for me, understand me?
Yeah.
That's your virgin, you know.
Yeah, okay.
So if you know when you're blood, because they get a virgin frightening, you know.
Yeah. I'm frightening you, right?
Yeah. You know, me not frightened, man. Because I'm not frightened of nothing.
But just the way I'm doing it.
At the hand, what I call the way I'm doing it. I'm going to have a knife and I'm going to right and do it. No way my blood.
Cheers. Sure.
Yeah. Because I respect you, you know, you understand?
Yeah, man, them can't do them things, them, man. Yes, man. Let's go and hold it up, see me, man, father. Yeah, drink something?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Come, you know.
Give him something for me now.
Don't left your crop land.
I'm going to take some, yeah?
Yeah, come give him something there, my general. I have to look out for the elder there, you know.
Yes.
Yes, man. Of course. Yeah, man. I rate his vibes. Alright. It's a 1 cold Guinness in the morning.
Yeah, man.
Give
thanks. I'm going to bash me about dry, you hear?
Yeah, man.
Give thanks, yeah?
Yeah, man. Bless you. Hello. How much is that?
5 is.
Yeah. 8 is? Alright.
You can't believe my chum.
No. Alright, 8 is.
Next one just left for 75.
Yeah.
Blood clot silver, so then
Yeah. Boy, at the food, right?
I food over there in your back.
That's the way I want to look when I reach your age. Money.
That's when I look so.
Yeah.
Love the youth them.
Yes, shit.
And a man come to me already and say, yeah, me tell him, I'm friend to you know.
Yeah.
He said this man I feel live longer can love you.
Sure.
You understand me?
Sure.
Yeah.
And see how you come and you buy me a liquor.
Yeah, I love to live with, right?
Yeah.
It's all we have. That's what conquers the world is love. They don't even understand, so that's what create is love.
No,
no,
love not there again, you know, bad man.
I know.
Because right now, you're to bridge now, when you step out of Friday and come back. It's not gunman can you to bomb class. Can't grudge your way that. No good love not there again, bad man. Book up when you see a good.
Yeah.
Book when you see a good woman and book when you see a good virgin.
Yeah. Cold poultry right now.
Yeah, no, because they corrupt them blood, yo.
True. We have to really appreciate the good ones and that still remain same. And make sure I hope and pray we can get some more good ones come about, you know?
Yes, man.
Sure.
Respect of God, Jay!
I'm afraid.
You must say I know me age.
Could have been
You must say I know go, sir. You must say I know go, sir. You must say I know me age. Oh, me look, you know?
Yeah, of course.
You understand me?
Yeah. So that's how I want to feel and look when I'm at this age.
Hold up a bush tea and all them something I drink.
Okay. A lot of bush tea,
eat out a bash and all them things there, you know.
Okay.
Understand me? Yeah.
Alright then.
Yeah,
I'm going to continue to do that because I'm a vegetarian as well.
Yeah, man. Bush tea, man. Sorosity tea and all them
things. I'm a vegetarian, so I continue on that journey.
Leave.
Vegetable fruit,
yeah,
a little fish, a little chicken,
anything nice for your drink.
No fat too much.
Leaf of life.
Leaf of life, that's
yes, because I drink that as well too. But I've been drinking it in a long while.
Yeah, man.
Leaf of life.
Leaf of life. You're going to eat it raw.
Yeah.
Look what they eat raw. Look what they are.
So I can eat raw?
Yeah, man.
You come back and continue to come into raw, man. Wash and eat raw, man. Pick a leaf, man.
Show some of the water for it.
Give the water for it.
Yeah, show the water to your back.
Daniel, show the water.
Wallace.
So much I gotta eat.
Got to the big leaf, make your big leaf.
Yeah, we'll rinse him off and just try him up and eat.
Oh, this one more water.
Every
That's cool, man, for water, though.
Yeah.
Out of your body.
Yeah.
Go find the net and span it and check.
Yeah, cause we boil it and drink it.
Yeah,
but
but eat it raw.
raw. Right, guys.
Listen, I reality to you.
Salt on it, guys.
Oh, Jenna. Yes, man, yes, man.
The taste is it like a chunk plum taste. Yes. So you see if you cut a little salt on it,
Yeah.
you just cut him up. You can cut up tomato, cucumber with him.
Yeah.
Yeah, lettuce.
For it like a Jew plum taste.
Yeah, so you sprinkle little salt on it and just eat that.
Yeah. See guys, nature.
Them thing they keep gas and coal out of your
Out there. Wow.
Yeah, man.
Respect, man.
Nourishing.
Yeah?
All is a low cost this, you know. You call it
Big tone, thinking tone. Thank you. And this can make juice as well too.
Little blood. You just mix it with this.
Yeah.
You don't want it done.
Trouble. But this tastes nice for you, man. Guys, I didn't know this tastes so nice.
As a young, you live longer, yeah.
Yeah.
You want to fish and meat and all that something. You know?
It's easy.
Drink all the bit of corn and because you sip with the bean and all them things and all the sip.
Yeah.
You want the chicken and all them things, yeah. You know, it's not good.
Father.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man. And the rum and the boom do it and thing. Yeah, man.
$11 mile away. Wow. It kind of tastes like a Jew plumish for me, for sure.
Yes, man. Man, and drink that, man. No,
Wow.
No cold.
Imagine the first time I'm eating that, right? The first time I'm trying and I'm eating, and trust me, it really do taste like I'm Jew plumish. Jew plum taste. It was the first time I was tasting it, you could see the face expression, but after now when you start to get into it, I had 2 leaves. That's why the man looking like this for 80. And the thinking too now, whoa.
Yeah, man, you burst it, man, and eat it. You have a burst it for you right, you have to eat it right now.
Right.
Alright, I burst it for you. Burst it for you.
Crack it like a shell. This stone, you carry this stone.
So you put it in the sea, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, me and dirty, so take it from take it right now. Smell away, you know, but don't watch the smell, you know?
Yeah, but don't smell.
Yeah, don't watch the smell.
Don't.
Don't. You gotta throw it out now, throw it back, right, please.
Woo! Guys, who remember how thinking toe smell?
One CD in the creek.
Hey. If you remember how thinking toe smell, you're wondering if you're eating a stinking feet, you know?
Hey, what love it in you? White people have it worse, they love it. You have to put it in, but what it tastes, you know?
Yeah.
It's good for you. Good for your
Nice.
system. You can coconut water, they talk good, only coconut good for your heart.
Yeah, good for
Coconut
you.
water, if I drink coconut water,
Wash off your
wash
heart.
off your heart, and eat the meat, good for your back. Yeah, you got to lay this stuff. Yeah, you're wicked, you know, because I'm not doing a youth. You're not these, you know.
Yeah, man, it's powerful.
Yeah, man, nice thing, you know, you all have gold chain with the seller.
Quartz, clear quartz. It's an energy stone, you know?
Well, you don't got any phone.
Yeah?
You only one phone you got any, you got more one phone.
No, no one.
Because I want to match up on one right now, when they beat me, I'm going to match up my phone, man. Yeah, man, I make up a buy one now too, you know? Because I also come and say, some people don't got one and I got one we don't want to use, you know? So, yeah, man. So I check, you know? Because you're good, you see, they buy me a Guinness, you know? So just say, if you got one, put away not use it and give me said with.
Of course.
Alright.
I'm a giver, you know.
Yeah, man. You haven't seen the money you give. And I may get you forward from them and they never give nothing yet.
From the Almighty.
Yeah, man. All the Almighty bless us.
And the Almighty bless him, man. I'm a
bless
giver,
us,
man.
you know.
I was born a giver and I'm still giving.
Yeah, man. I said to myself.
I cannot stop giving.
Can't stop, man. Can't stop, you know.
It is what it is, man. But
Yeah, man.
that feel good now. I feel more.
Well, that's what the thinking too. It tastes good.
Well,
Alright.
me eat already when I was younger.
Yeah,
you know?
man.
It's been a long
Yeah, man,
while.
chop on me. You see tree in my yard.
Mm-hmm.
The tree in my yard.
Okay.
Load, man. Got whole leaf.
And you make a juice with it and
We
everything,
make
right?
juice with it and sell it. We have
Sell
to
it.
buy it, sell it.
Yeah, man, it's very, very nice, man.
Yeah,
thinking
man.
tour.
Yeah, man.
Guys, if you never tried thinking tour before, you're missing out. Cause trust me, thinking tour. Even you can make juice with it as well too.
Yeah, man.
And you can cook thinking to a stew, right? You can
Yes,
cook
man.
stew,
Yeah,
right?
man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You can cook thinking to a stew as
Wicked
well.
some, man.
Man, here looking like he's just turning 40.
Good food, yo. Cow skin and all
Yeah,
them things
good
and all them
food.
things, yeah.
So we just eat the thinking too as well too, you
Yes,
know?
you must man eat him.
Yes.
Alright.
Respect man and give thanks. So man, I'm going to go check the conch man, himself conch soup.
Yeah, man. Which part?
Right down at the end part of the road.
That corner bar there, so.
Yeah. So the conch soup, man, I try the conch soup, you know.
It's very good.
Very good.
And the best soup in Jamaica.
You see that?
Man, let's fuck.
Yeah.
And you got one strong bring the thing that way now.
Yeah.
You got one strong bring it, so we got good stamina for let it on him, you know.
Yes, alright then, man. Big up. Yes, yes. Every time. Bless up, bless up. Yes, guys. So, well, I'm gonna get that strong conch soup right now. You know it goes already. Walking here in the morning. Oh, wow. Hey. I said morning, uncle. So I'll go get my conch soup here in the morning. Well, this is quiet, business just putting out and everything. So guys, tell me what you think about the eating the leaf of life. I know it's good to boil, but that is the first time I'm eating it just like that without boiling it. My first time. But the thinking too, we used to eat that a lot when I was younger, when I was young, a toddler. But I've been eating that in years I haven't had that to eat though. It was nice having it. It was so nice. So let me go grab myself some conch soup. Grab myself some conch soup while Team Wango is getting ready. I'll tell you already about ladies and cocoa girls. I'll tell you already about ladies when they're getting ready. Okay. Not easy at all. You said it's nice, it's nice, it's nice. Let's set fire. Oh. All the roots, all the herbs. Roots. Blessings. Roots. Bike taxi. Hey, the bike taxi is something else. Imagine the bike taxi is something else here in Negril. There's so many people that use the bike instead of the motor vehicle. They rather use the motorbikes. Quick, no traffic, nothing at all. You said it's nice. Up a passenger on the road now. is what Negril look like early here in the morning. You know, it's not that busy. You know, as you can see, people take them time going out and about. You know, and the reason why, hold on. Another thing, guys, you know why? The reason why the bike taxi them is more keep busy, because when you take a taxi, you have to wait and the taxi to be full. You know, some of them say, yo, wanna move? And each time you get one, them still don't move. So with the bike taxi, them as them get one, they move. You know, but Jamaican taxi, when them full, them still be saying, wanna move, wanna move. You know, wanna move, 2 and ready. You know, but the bike man, them as you jump on that, they gone. They're not waiting for you nor Tom. They gone. Yeah man, Jamaican taxi, 1 and ready. One and ready, 2 and move. You know, but as you see the bike pull up, you just jump on that and you're gone. No hesitation, nothing at all. You're on your way. No waiting, no gazing. So that's why the bike man now will move. Getting more passengers, get and move. Yeah, so I'm here back at the spot. I'm here at the spot where we get the conch soup, and I guess the jelly man is not here as yet. So let's get the conch soup early in the morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Please tell me say conch soup is ready. Oh, too early? Oh gosh. I'm gonna wake up and dream about the conch soup, you know. Oh wow. Oh my days. I'm gonna be heading into another parish now. Mr. Conch soup, man.
Where I do research?
Yeah, we keep on promoting Jamaica all over the world. Yes. Conch soup, man. Nothing. So where else can I get some nice conch soup? Well, here is the best conch soup, sir.
Nowhere else. I just alone cook conch soup.
Yeah.
Other people them are chicken feet.
Chicken feet. No feet.
If I'm from a restaurant cook the soup, did you find him?
No. I know how comes I didn't find him.
I told you don't pass between Bourbon and Sunrise. For the accident 2 places there you can't laugh.
Him on the side, right?
Him over on the other side where the other mini mart is there. Over by Sunrise side.
It's just a little space him have with his part set up on the street.
Yeah.
Why am I pass it and think it's not him?
Our elder man.
Yeah. But you know what I was looking for? Like a built up place, like inside our that's
like
where
a little umbrella.
Yeah.
And him fireside.
Right on the wall, right?
Right on the wall. Him see him. You know where they.
But here what happened? I was looking for I was looking for him.
Right on the wall.
Oh my day.
And he look at green umbrella.
Yeah.
We didn't pack them set up on the
Same
table.
place.
I him see him man.
But yeah, I was
tell us a roadside man.
I was looking for a roadside shop.
No, some people do them thing outdoor.
Yeah, I guess what I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna try and jump in my car and go up there then. That's the best thing to do. Alright then, thank you so much.
Where's the Empress?
She's around here getting ready.
Okay.
So thank you so much, alright? Nice meeting you. Uncle,
Safe travel.
see you again now, alright? Blessings. Alright.
So when you come back to this place, you know where to go.
Definitely, the best. Oh. Alright then guys, so I guess I've mistakenly I did drive past the man. I didn't know that it was him, you know. I really didn't know that it was him. Oh, here's some jelly. Let me get 2 jelly here. Like how I already have the leaf of life. I had the thinking toe. So why not have some jelly right now to help italize the day for today. Good day, family. Irie. You have jelly? That's it. You sell the jelly? Oh, your face, look. What going to look so pleasant this morning? Who trouble you? always stay positive and don't make no one get you down, you know. Nobody. Whenever you feel down, speak to the Lord, man, right? Come send me to your jelly. Don't make anybody get you down, yeah? Yeah, man, trust me. Just always remember to stay positive. Never, 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 never. Whenever you feel that way, listen to some music, something to motivate you back, right? Think about the good days when time in the young days and start smile about it. Because I hate to see when my fellow brothers them looking down. Come smile about it. Because you're so experienced in this universe. You've been here so many years. Long, long time. Can you imagine how many things you've been through in your time? How many changes you've seen? Don't it? So you should have long time. So you should have know so everything coming ups and down. Don't it? What the I name? Windell. My name is Kino. Alright, you could have been my father then. So you're right, daddy? Yes. Come on, put away sweet jelly then. But you got straw, right? Alright, so more chop it. I'm not make it oatmeal. Alright, chop one and drink one, and the next one I'm gonna bring it. Windell. Guys, let's send some prayers and thing for Windell. Windell is so easy, you can pick up on your energy and realize you're not in a good mood. So me now come to you now and try to spark up the mood there and make you know so life is not all about feeling that way, you understand?
Yeah, there you go.
Same way you go. Because we're only here on this universe for a short period of time, you know. We're not going to be here for long.
Really?
So while we're here, we keep smiling. You see me?
Yeah.
So it's not about the destination where we're at in life. It's about the journey that we're on.
Okay.
Right, uncle?
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, man. Same way you go, man. Same way there. Greatness to the same way, man. Alright, so that one you have to go and one to drink. When you chop it till we can see the white part.
I want it.
Yeah. So when time
I'm going to one I can't do so now.
alright, do it to that one.
I want you have to drink it.
Okay, alright, do it to that one. So when time I reach, we can make put a straw inside it and drink it. Woo!
Oh, you not go further, you know?
Okay.
You go further. Meat.
Yes.
More meat in that, more.
Okay.
I want that meat in there, but we kind of slice.
Oh. Alright, so I'm gonna drink this one now. This one I will take back up. Yes guys, life is not what we think it is. Sometimes we have to just lively up ourselves. We understand say emotions always play up on us, but we have to know to control the emotions, you know, and try to get through life sometimes, you know. Even myself sometimes, you know, life you feel down, but I always try to find a way to put myself up, you know, because we always have these emotional challenges. So it's part of living in this physical body and this universe. So it's just a way of life, you know, to understand what it is, same way. How much is that, Windell?
Alright
then. Good.
I respect you, man.
Give thanks, man. Don't make nobody get you down, yeah? Never.
Put it in kind of
The dust, right?
Yeah man, it's just terrible.
So why them concrete of the wall here, so?
Well, it's like a one thing man, you know, so right now, we there so, we don't go there so for a while too. So, if a concrete, man, the concrete here, it's like, you know, I'm going to week out or so.
Oh, let's not go pay for the spot.
If you pay for the spot, we pay for the spot. But you have, them and anyhow, them a concrete a big building now go put on your upstairs place. Nobody now go can come.
I got you.
And we are take care of it, you know, so tell
Them ready.
When he see he look up front.
Yeah, thanks.
He can deal with it.
Yeah.
You want the jelly?
No. Too much for me, I know. Thank you so much.
I respect every time.
Yeah man, let's keep the faith. See you, babe. Blessed love. Alright guys. Woo! That was it. Well, that jelly really washed on a spot. I'm not even lying. Really washed on a spot, boy. Hey. So let's go check to see if Beam Wango is ready. She must be ready by now. Right, she must be ready by now. So we're still rolling through. Alright. Selling gas and everything. It's nice. Jolly. I wanna jolly with you. There you go on your bike. Guys, wow,
We are packed.
we are packed. We are ready. Dee got our jelly.
Big shout out to whoever brought it. You are the best.
Hey, big shout out to that person that brought the jelly for Dee Mwango.
He's the best.
Big shout out to you. You know
when somebody thinks exactly what you might be doing, because guys, I've never felt this hot the way I feel here in Negril.
Right?
I think it's the hottest place in Jamaica. Then the coldest is Mandeville. Guys, it's crazy.
It's hot in the day and cold in the night.
Yeah, that's another thing. But during the day, it's unthinkable. It's hot.
But I guess because there's we're close to the sun when you're here. You know, as you can see, guys, the sun is right there. It's really close.
And we are so close. It's just above us.
Yeah, it's just above there. So true, we're so close to it. Here.
Then somebody just thinks, oh, Dee needs some jelly. Let me take it to her.
Yeah.
He's the best. Anyway, guys, outfit of the day. Check. You guys also have added weight. Look at that.
Look at that. Big mama.
Now I've become a big mama. Let me go back to the shade and finish my jelly, guys. I cannot stand there for long.
I'm telling you, I don't know what's going on with this sun down here.
Even Kino came and he was pushing me from here.
I like the excuse from the shade, please. No, it's really hot though. Hot and it's nice, same way, you know.
So it's our last day.
Yeah, here.
Here.
Not last day, our last minutes. Because we finished pack now, right? Everything is out of the house. Everything is out the fridge. That is so nice of you. I came back. I don't have to help D clear out everything out of her room. Normally I have to come and help her, and her door is closed. Everything is closed. Normally I would have said, "Do you need help?" Yeah.
Yes,
No.
of course.
But you know what? I don't know. I think I did lock the car. Surprised when I come and I see you putting things in the car. I'm like, what?
Locked.
Yes, lock. So guys, we're out the building now. Yep, that is all set and all done. So we're going out the building now. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you, cottage. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss this cottage. Miss this yard and everything. We're gonna hit the road now. But guess what, guys? Coco Girl just left. The time when I was down the road getting jelly and everything, Coco Girl, she left. She's gonna do some mission. She's gonna link up with her friends that she knows as well here in Negril, because she wanna go stay with some Rastamans and everything. So Coco Girl already checked out, you know, while I was gone. D, you left in something. You leave something.
That is not mine. Stop lying.
No, you leave something on the line, on your line. In Jamaica we have closed line. Guys, this is the line right over here. This is the line. This is the line. The favorite one.
Yeah,
This is what she
that I bought in Indonesia, you know, Bali.
Bali.
And I bought it $100 US. Bali is cheap, but when it comes to clothes, don't try. But again, it's the best quality. I've had it for so long now.
Coco Girl has checked out since the time I went down there. She's gone.
For camping.
Because they almost leave her bikini, then she's gonna be looking and wondering where it is. Yes guys, so stay tuned. We're gonna be heading anywhere the sun shines. That's where we're gonna head. So stay tuned. Good day. Bless the love. Is this the Rastaman everyone been telling me about, the Ital food and everything?
Yeah, man.
Big up. Everyone been telling me about the Ital soup and the food and everything. Cause
eat right now.
It looks so good.
So you have the soup?
Every day. Yeah,
Every day.
Come get. Let me get some of your
Yeah.
Ital soup.
Yeah. Coco Girl was here yesterday. It means you really have good food. People commend your place so much.
Bless you, fire. Bless you.
South African, miss.
Yeah, she is.
African. Ghana.
Kenyan.
Yeah.
Kenyatta. Cause them say you have the Ital soup where is the coconut
Yeah,
and
real
everything.
coconut.
Real
Yeah,
coconut and everything.
Yeah.
You just see what it's like. And this is it.
Soup.
Yeah, it's soon finished now though.
Oh, so that means I'm here to get some.
It's still hard, you know. Yeah, I know what time it's finished, you know.
Oh, alright. Now to put it up. You want one to?
No, thank you.
So this is it, guys. I can see the carrots,
What is
I
this?
can see this, I can see that.
Pumpkin rice, that's what it is.
Oh,
Wow.
pumpkin rice. Yeah. And it's done how
So this is it, guys. Yes, food. So how long have you been on this? on the spot here, fire?
I'm 92.
92, you've been here? Wow.
1992.
1992.
You have that chicken here?
Wow.
Sometimes I do it occasionally. And over here I have conch and octopus occasionally. You know, there's nothing going on too tough, kind of, that's expensive. So.
And tell them where you're at. And
Well, I'm at down the Norman Boulevard, right between the two supermarkets, one on the left and one on the right. You can use that as your mark post, or you can use the Times Square that's above me. That's a meter above me. You can use the Times Square mark as a marker.
Yeah.
And we have a supermarket over there, Drink Plus.
Okay.
And one over here, grocery, drink, snacks.
Yeah.
The two of them run a food mark. The two of them is my mark.
Okay. So you're right in between Sunrise
Below.
Sunrise Club as well.
Yes, and my neighbor is the bamboo place that sells towels and stuff.
Okay.
Jewelry. So I'm right between.
Right in between.
Right between.
Thank you so much. And this is the ital, what them say is vital.
Awesome.
So, wow. Can taste the rich coconut.
Oh man, you believe it, man. Bird feed yourself every day, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Because of the rich
That is some healthy bird right there.
See some of my tool here. Grater. Grater and coconut. No blender busy. Natural grater.
All natural.
All natural.
Wow. Guys, you see this all healthy. You can see the coconut grain. What's I'm looking at? The pumpkin and the carrot?
Pumpkin and carrot. Both of them inside.
Both of them. So this is what I'm looking at. The pumpkin and the carrot.
Pumpkin and carrot. Both of them inside.
Trust me, you can just taste the natural. Wow. I like that.
Yeah, man. Real food.
Them things make you live forever. Forever.
No animal.
No animal at all. And that are the
Yeah, man.
pop chow.
Pop chow, pumpkin rice, and pop chow with carrot, Irish, sweet potato. This is the last I have in
Yeah. Cooked down with same coconut, same.
Everything have to be
Everything having
coconut.
natural coconut.
Have to be coconut. No butter, no grease, no oil.
Easily to digest. No heartburn, nothing.
Nothing at all. Nothing. No artificial seasoning.
Nothing.
No, that.
Jamaican area Hey, which one was sound like?
Sound like a Jamaican man.
Okay. so why you said Nigerian?
One of them African countries.
Oh, so because I'm rolling with a Kenyan lady?
Yeah.
Okay. But remember, we are all Africans, you know?
Yeah, we are. Yeah, but
So-
man, we're not talking about that.
We are Jamaican. though.
Jamaican, huh?
Yes. But we're all
Now we
Africans.
are talk so.
Oh.
So fluent Jamaican.
Oh, me talk fluent Jamaican. Because Jamaican, they're African, no?
Yeah, for pay me for video me do, you know.
Have to pay, yeah?
Yeah, man, because me a turn movie star and then.
Hey, so it not gonna cost me for turning a movie star, man.
Yeah, man. They want make you think movie so dear. They have to play everything.
Yeah, but we know we are promotion movie, we are promote to island.
You see?
You know, promote the positivity in our country, you know?
Yeah.
And make sure say everything, because too much negative stigma is in our country.
Yeah.
So we are showing the world a different side of Jamaica.
That's all, man.
I understand, because everything them see is about Jamaica. Don't go Jamaica because Jamaica is this and Jamaica is that, you know? But there's good Jamaicans here, same way.
Yeah, man, remember say everywhere around the world bad, you know.
Everywhere.
Yeah, good and bad, you know. Then, so when them talk about Jamaica, them to run statistics. And then we find out if Jamaica is one of the most peaceful of the world. Because what do you mean, I look on YouTube and Jamaica is the peaceful.
You right now?
Yeah.
And
I mean, surprised, but Jamaica they are not the peaceful. When them
because
say,
some people said, well, like whenever they come in Jamaica, they always announce it and say, yo, don't go to Jamaica because of the crime and this and that. Be
yeah,
real
they call them people that
Tourists,
who you book the ticket.
Yeah, the agents to them.
The agents to them. And them I tell the people them.
Yeah.
And then now the hotel them now, I tell them because the hotel them find out so them I make money.
Yes. Yeah.
When them tell the people that
them
because
stay
people
inside.
standing at the hotel buy everything. From clothes to gadget.
Everything.
Everything.
Them don't come out. That's true. So everyone want to stay in the resort.
You're right. I don't really stay them want to stay, but
How would the system I tell
if
them?
a man feel like stress up, now go do him prep better.
Stay
Step on the right side.
Yeah, true.
Like I go out in one country and man I say, boy, no stray, you know. Things are going, you know. Up to you if you want to stray.
First time I 4 o'clock in the morning, you know, you just a catch tours.
Yeah.
Full up the people, you know.
You have to come tours at the hotel, I can go back a whole house.
Yeah.
No.
Different.
Not everywhere you go.
Yeah, but when people experience it themselves, they realize that it's all a lie.
Because here you know, everywhere you go, you know, you have good and bad. If I go to America, if I go to China, if I go to Africa, if I go to Middle East, I have to mind the place them where I go in that the country there. Because in that the country there you have good and bad.
Sure.
So I mean, if you know, say, yo, same like a man that says, mine know you go down a Tivoli, you know. Mine know you go down a jungle, you know. Mine know you go down a Grangel, or mine know you go to Sam, or Rima. So I see everything when I go to foreign. You have some little corner where if you make mistake go down there, you're reliable for death, get robbed, anything.
Yeah, because I'll tell you something. I'm from Trenchtown, see Rima. And the program I do, a lot of people come there, isn't it, by through watching my program. But when them come now, them realize it's not what them always been saying. We're not saying crime is not there,
Yeah, man, crime
but it's not as bad as how them put
kind
it
of
out.
bad, but still not better than enough place.
Yeah.
Because where a man for know, so a man not left, some people might not left us, so him have one bag of things to say. But the more life get madder and the more crime step up.
True.
And the more man born in the earth and the more crime, because one time Ghana did have X amount of people.
Yeah.
Now it triple up.
Yeah.
So the first time X amount of people where did that do crime,
Yeah.
a few that were another X amount triple up now.
Triple up. True.
So when you did hear about crime down here, so you hear about it 3 times as much now. So we start to make it look like, boy, them youth here nowadays, it's always them youth here. Now when me did a little youth, my bad, and I take up gun.
Imagine it then, and you might have find it.
And if 100 man bad and I take up gun, when they reach certain age, out of the 100, 80 of them change.
Along the line.
20 left back in it.
Yeah, along the line.
Right.
So
So
true.
everybody go through one little phase.
Yeah,
And a little phase of badness. Not really everybody, but most people, you know.
Yeah, it's the journey. You know, people go through a journey, man.
Life journey.
Life journey, man. Respect,
Man.
man.
So you don't know, you know, you try to know.
Of course, so you're
So
going to go through stuff.
when you find out now, you say, you sieve it out. Allow out that one and go and work with that one.
I'm back on the next part.
Yeah.
Pick up yourself, man.
Man have to try, you know.
Thanks, yeah?
Good and
But I
bad.
name?
Try, my name.
Try.
Yeah.
Ellen, I've tried.
I mean, name Fleago.
Yeah.
Let the world know that.
See,
Fleago.
Fleago.
The world know that too.
Alright,
But
sir.
yeah, wanna. You see in our life, we all have to move on.
That is
Fun
it.
things, you know.
Yes, yes.
And we all have to try. So you find say you have people that try the wrong thing. It works for some people
It don't for some.
because you know say, alright, look how the world around. People them we are teach about Christianity. The heads of government them. How are the most wrong in the world?
The ex government.
How are the leader of the wrong?
Ex government.
Because if a man a pastor and him a preach good, and a man say, Pastor, when you come from foreign, bring down them 2 barrels. Pastor say, where them? You don't know a pastor, man. They give you your thing.
Yeah,
Or
yeah.
yourself. And pastor bring down 2 barrels. In my head's a crime.
True.
Because him a bring in the material them.
True.
So him a top man in our business. So, but him a survive
See you, man.
and him a live. So, no fighting them what them tell we, even about because there is God, but them a make it look like God already do it, you know. Once you're born, him do it already, you know, and you have to do it for yourself, you know. You could have prayed till you're weak. Then where God give you brain for.
True.
Every time you use a brain,
Yeah,
and him a
manifest.
do it for you.
Yeah.
So that means your brain don't make no sense, you know. Better you just cut off your head and make God go and work for you, you know. You understand what I say? God now give man hand and foot and nose and weapon to live and survive for nothing at all, man.
Yes, true.
Why you think you have good and bad? Why you think you have man know more than man? Why you think all of these things? Because if I know more than you, It's must because I study more than you. So the work when me put out make me I get.
I like that part then. Because
Alright.
you study more than you, why you know more
in
than
a life,
you.
a reality run life, man.
True,
So,
true.
them say God help those who help themselves. Me help me who help myself. As me tell you, say God done give me life already. All I have to do is give God thanks for the life every day. Because I'm still alive.
Same.
You understand?
Yeah.
But him couldn't give me brain for everything me I do. Father God, me I beg you for cut and clear. Father God, me I beg you for do this. Stay there and get up and go do what you want to do. And what you please, what you think can make you achieve. And see if God I go help you. So and when you do it now, you say I gotta help you. So I'm to you, you never have a mind of your own with develop and by living. Yeah, realize Peter that me have to go do, you know. And I will tell you to do it. Now you get a brain.
Yeah, get a brain. Sure.
You have an independent brain, and your brain is not a lean pan brain, an independent mind we have. So no make no man fool say God I help you do this, man. If you not go out there, go do it for yourself. Sit down and pray and no move and see what.
Nothing now you come.
So you have to just step
forward. That same spot.
Like your mind I'll tell you say, you know me I go down the road. Me there so broke and I say, you know me I will go down the road. And I go down the road and I buck up in a white man and him chat to me good. And when me look and give me 100,000.
Yeah.
And I say, Lord Clint, Jah good in a railway. But me not think say, and me go down the road, you know. And me there son and my mind tell me say go down the road, you know, and when me go down the road, based upon reason the white man look into it and give me a thing. And then when me get the money there, me I praise God and I praise the white man. Me not give no thanks.
What him do?
Yeah, because the way me so glad for the money, me feel say God give me. But at the work what you put out, so whether God I go help you yes or no, if you wanna put out the work, then nah go get no answer.
Righteousness.
See,
Thank
so like
so
what you do there now and you walk on your toe, put on your stairs up. If you wanna do it, what go do it?
Nobody.
For you.
Nobody not gonna do it for that. Me have to do it for me.
You have to know in yourself, say, me I go do it, you know.
Yeah.
So now God not have to tell you that, you know.
I know.
Your mother not have to tell you that, neither your father. 3 people them they were near to God. I will come like God. Your mother, your father, and God. Like your mother and your father are your creator, you know.
Yes.
Make you there in the physical world.
True,
See?
true.
So, of them 3 people me I look for, none of them not help you.
None.
You have to go help yourself. You know so much man we're rich and him picnic.
Hey, me like the wisdom, you know, I like your reasoning. You're one of the men who go up in the hills as well too. You have the link with the rest
well,
of them.
me eye, you know.
Yeah.
Me not have to go up in the hill, me dey up there already.
Go up there already.
Yeah, that's that. Just meditate and reach up there.
Every time. Big up yourself, you know, and thank you. More great.
Life we deal with, man. Not because this, you know.
No, that's just image.
Yeah, this car, enough man, here man, and see man I eat vegetable. When I eat vegetable, show me a rasta. Me I think about my health.
And me a vegetarian, I'm not a lax.
Alright, now your health make you do it.
Of course, me.
Yeah, when you Google up and know about meat and everything, you have to pick and choose which one you want.
Which one you want.
You see? Yeah. So this not nothing to do with Rastafari, brother.
Yes, that is it.
You see me I say?
More love and more strength for you, man.
Reality of life and real thing about life and the rightness about life and the truth about life. Nothing else about life, brother.
That is it.
You hear me I tell you?
Yeah, man. Right.
That's how we all live. We have to go through. Nothing can stop. We have them face that them stop with.
Yeah,
still alive.
Still alive, same here.
Because enough people face a flea go down and about flea go
is still here up and running. Flee up yourself, flee go.
You don't see it.
Thank you so much.
A reality run earth.
Consciousness reason.
You hear that?
Trust.
Yeah, man.
Flee
So
go.
just go and do your thing.
Every time.
And guide up yourself, see?
Yes, I.
As a real Jamaican.
Yes, I.
And go and teach what you can teach because all heap of fool there at Jamaica right now.
Yeah.
All heap of joker people there at Jamaica right now, man. We need to inspire some of them to make them come out of a joke and get serious about the real way and the right way, you know. Too much bad mind around the place like name brand.
True.
And too much foolishness, you know.
Right,
We need to come out of that.
True.
You understand?
Righteous.
Yeah, man, and that's why so much
Right,
madness are going on, you know.
Righteous. Fligo.
Yeah.
Right, that is Fligo. Well said, you know. Man of knowledge.
Light up yourself,
Yeah,
you know.
man. Every time.
Yeah, man. Bless you.
Yes, Wow, guys, that was most righteousness. Rasta man. Most righteous, yeah?
Yes,
Big
sir.
up, man. Guys, guys, that was so much wisdom from the Rasta man. Freedom said, you know. So yes, we're gonna take out by the road. Guys, remember, smash that like button. If you reach this far and you haven't liked, please go and do so. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.